Hi everybody, it's me, Tereese. I am back with another video and I am here today to share week, um, is it week 10? It is week 10 for Artisan Journal Prompt 2024 hosted by Patti. Her channel is Life with Patti here on YouTube. And so this page, I was going to do a double spread, but it would have taken a long time to do. And I was just going to do like the corner of the page and then on the other page, and I was going to write or journal on this page, but I did this instead. So I have a ton of buttons, and this week's prompt was buttons. I just didn't want to fill and bulk up my journal too much. So I saw a couple ladies here on YouTube share that they don't have any buttons and they improvised and they made paper buttons. So I was like, that's exactly what I was going to do on my page. And they made some beautiful pages with flowers. That's how they did their page. But I did a little bit different. I punched out a whole bunch of circles. So I have this one. I have this, a 3-inch circle. I had some scallop circles in my stash. This one. And then where's the other one? I have another one that is an old Creative Memories punch. Where is that? Where did it go? Where did that punch go? Oh my gosh, where did it go? Oh, it's right here. Right here. See, this is a 1.5 and 1.25 circle. Okay, I use these all the time, and it's very, very old, but I still use them. So I punched out a whole bunch of paper circles and scallop circles, and I still have a ton left. I might use that on a different project or on some circle embellishments. Who knows? So after I punched them all out, then I started using my eyelet. Well, this is too big, but I used this, and hold on. And I want to show you an old Remember Making Memories? I still have a lot of their products, and this was a kit. It was a tool kit. If I can get this open. And it had all it had that self-healing mat. It had tweezers. This is like a stylus. This is a pokey tool. It had the eyelet setters. Here is glue, which I don't even know if it works, a ruler, and then a craft knife. So what a toolkit to have. And I want to say I got this at Michael's or AC Moore. I can't remember which. But I used the eyelet setter to do some of my holes in my buttons here. So I was bringing out all my supplies, and I started gluing them all down. As you can see, they're kind of wonky, and I'm like, I'm okay with that. It's my journal, and if the holes are a little wonky, it's fine. And then I added some button butterflies. So it is a little bit dimensional, but not too much where it will bulk up my journal. But I love all these beautiful papers, and I tucked and I layered, and I just love how they all turned out. I could have put string in them, but that would have made my book even bulkier. So I added these buttons here, and then here, and then here. I might add one more, because odd numbers are best. But that is my my page for this week. I was going to do another page to start catching up, but I just didn't have the time. But I will, and I will come back and share. But here is my button page. Let me share it with you all. All these layered circles with buttonholes on them. I have a punch that has buttons that when you punch out, they're like different shaped buttons. I know I have it. I just don't know where I put it, or if it's somewhere in my closet somewhere. So anyway, I want to thank everybody for stopping by my channel and liking and commenting. I so appreciate everyone that does that. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.